get out there.
You gotta run to the couch, my guy.
I ain't running out there. I'm just gonna take a perspective. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a little bit out here. My sister, bro. To get in the trash can. Well, she got the trash can, but the trash can's probably gonna decide to leave. What the hell is she doing? Oh god, it's getting wet again. Here, let's get another perspective from the bad version of the rain. From the back. Let's see. Ooh. Yo, it's windy as hell. Damn, the door slammed itself, bro.
Go get my towel from the bathroom.
Okay. Alright guys, we're getting the towel. Nessa needs a towel. Alright, got a towel. Need to help a brother out, you know.
What? I got soap.
Well, that's what you get for getting something that's not yours.
Yeah.
Lesson learned, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go in my mom's room.